What's this wood called? Burlap or something?
Well, there's shiplap.
Shiplap.
This isn't shiplap.
I think it's shiplap.
No, it's not.
It's definitely shiplap.
No, have you even seen Joanna Gaines?
The nice thing about staying on the mountain is you don't have to drive to take a bus, to take a gondola, to take a chairlift to start riding. You can just walk over to the chairlift and start riding. All right, time for some lunch. Way to do it. Got it. How's it going? Thank you, sir. Day one. The best part is we get to do this again tomorrow. Right, Aubrey?
It's true.
So Breckenridge, pretty magical, right? So I guess a tip of advice, if you're gonna eat here, make sure to call in advance or get a reservation, because if you just show up at a restaurant and expect to sit somewhere during COVID, you probably won't be able to find a seat. And the town's pretty awesome. I mean, look at all the lights. It's still, it's January right now, and they still have all the Christmas decorations up, so. Pretty cool place. And we're back on the slopes. Should be a good day. An AirPod, and if anyone finds one at Breckenridge, let me know. Hey, are you looking for an AirPod? No way, did you find one? Guess what, we found it. It is somewhere in the line here.
Yay!
All right, Breckenridge, it's been fun. We'll see you next time.